Welcome back to math. Yep, here we are. Unit 1, Lesson 10. Will it ever end? Part 2. We're talking about subtraction of decimals using the place value strategy. Let's see if we can make it a little easier on you, okay? So let's say we have 300. Someone read that for me. 327 thousandths. Okay, so I'll draw my chart. I'm going to use purple. Why? Just because I have to. Okay, where do you want me to put my decimal? Where do you want me to put the decimal? Here?
No.
Here?
No.
Here?
Yes.
Okay, so that means this would be what? Tenths. This would be?
Hundreds.
And this would be?
Thousands.
We could do it that way. Do you want our numbers hanging off the end over here?
Yes.
How about we move the decimal over one time, okay? Let's just move it over here. Because we got no... Do we have any one holes?
Nope.
No. So let's put one decimal here. And we're going to put a decimal here. Why do we do that? So we can have our first number goes on the top. And the second number goes on the bottom, right? Okay. And what are we doing? Are we doing adding, subtracting, dividing, or multiplying? Which one? Subtracting. I'll put my subtraction sign right over here. And I'll draw my line. Okay? Where does the 3, where does the 2, where does the 7 go?
The 3 goes.
When you say 327 thousandths, then that means the 7 needs to be in what place?
In the thousands.
In the thousandths place. So this is
Tens.
tenths, hundreds, thousandths. Okay, so let's put it over here. That means our 2 goes where?
There. Right
In
there.
the hundredths place. And then our 3 goes in the tenths. Good job. And I'm just going to put a 0 there because I have no whole numbers, right? Now, where do I put the 19? This says 19 what? Hundredths. 19 hundredths. Where does the 9 go? It goes in what place? The 9 goes in what place?
Hundreds.
The hundredths place, yeah, because that's why we have that name. Okay, tenths. So the 9ths go here, right? Because it's hundredths. And then our 1 would go next to it. And what do we put over here?
Decimal.
A 0. Why a 0? Because we don't have any whole numbers. We always want to show that. Okay? All right, what do we put over here?
A 0.
Yeah, if it's a blank space, it's automatically a 0. Now, I would say hold up 7 fingers. And we're going to take 0 away. That means we're going to have how many fingers? 7. We still have 7, right? Now the next part I'm going to say, hold up 2 fingers. Wow. I'm going to take 9 fingers away. Can I do it?
No.
Oh no. What do I have to do?
To borrow.
I have to borrow from the 3. That becomes a 2. And this becomes a 12. Okay? Now I'm going to say it again. I'm holding up 12 fingers. I'm borrowing 2 from a neighbor. And I'm going to take 9 away. How many fingers do I have left? 9, 10, 11. How many? 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. Good job. And now the next part is I'm holding up 2 fingers. I'm going to take 1 away. How many do I have left? 1. And, ooh, this is super important. What do I need to do right now? Bring down the decimal. Right. And then 0, I'm holding up 0 fingers. I'm taking 0 away. And that leaves me with 0. So my answer is what? 137 thousandths. Thousandths. Good job. Let's do one more problem so you can kind of get this, okay? We have 200. Oh, someone read this for me.
213
tenths minus 59 hundredths. And that hundredths is supposed to have a THS in there, but I can't fit it. I ran out of room. Okay, so where do I put the 3? Where do I put the 3?
In the tenths.
I put it, do I put it here?
Yes.
In the tenths? Yes. So what do I do with the 1?
Put it in the.
I put it in the ones. And then what do I do with the 2?
You put it in the tens.
I put it in the tens. Okay, so this is 213 tenths, right? Remember? Whenever we say the number, that like the 3, it goes in the tenths column. How about this one, the 59 hundredths? Where does the 9 go?
Hundredths.
It goes in the hundredth spot. Is this the 100th spot?
No.
Is that the 100th spot?
No.
No. Is this the 100th
Yes.
spot? Yes, so I'm going to put the 9 there. And then I'm going to put the 5 where? Below the 3, right. Good job. And then I'll just put in zeros over here, okay? Because they're blank, right? Should I put a 0 anywhere else?
No. Yes.
Yes, above the
9.
9. Good job. Okay, now what do? We're going to hold up 0 amount of fingers. How many 9 fingers can we take away from 0? Oh, we can't take any away. So what do we got to do? We have to borrow from the 3, right. This becomes a 2, and our 0 becomes a 10. I'm holding up, how many fingers? 10 fingers, taking 9 away. How many do I have left? 1. Nice job. Now, how many fingers am I holding up?
2.
I'm holding up 2 fingers. I'm going to take 5 away. Can I do that? No. What do I have to do? I have to borrow. So this 1 is going to become a 0, and the 2 is going to become a 12. Kind of looks like a 9, doesn't it? Sorry about that. See if we can make it a little neater. Okay, that's better. All right, so I'm holding up how many fingers? 12 because I'm borrowing 2 from a neighbor. And I'm going to take 5 of them away. How many fingers do I have left?
7.
Right. What do I need to do that's super important right now? Bring down the decimal. Thank you. I'm holding up 0 fingers. I'm going to take 0 away from it, and that's going to leave me with
0.
Nice. And I've got 2 fingers I'm holding up. I'm going to take 0 away. So I have how many fingers left? 2. So our answer is 20 and 71 hundredths. Good job. Did this help you to do it in the place value chart?
Yes.
If that helps you, then do it that way. Just draw it on your paper or scratch paper, okay? Draw it on your test, draw it wherever you need to, but go ahead and do it, okay? All right, you know me, I love math.